Build a PC in 2026. Stop wasting money on these. High-speed RAM like 6000 or 7200 MHz sounds great. But in real games, the FPS difference is tiny. Spend that money on a better GPU instead. 32 GB RAM. If you only play esports, browse web, or do basic stuff. 16 GB is already enough. RGB everywhere. Looks cool, but gives you zero performance. You're paying for lights, not FPS. Gen 5 SSDs. Super fast on paper. But game loading feels almost the same as Gen 4.S speed is. So yeah, don't build a PC that looks expensive. Build one that actually performs. What do you think is the biggest waste? Comment below.